This quick tutorial is all about unraveling the secrets of formulas and functions. Alright, formulas are like the instructions to perform calculations. Let's say you have a column of numbers representing cells. You could use a formula to add them up and press enter. And this is the total of the cells amount. Remember that formulas start with an equal sign. Otherwise, Excel will consider them as values. Functions are like ready-made formulas. You can use the sum function to do the same thing with less typing. Equal to sum, press tab to insert the highlighted function. Here, as the number 1 argument, I'll select the range B5 to B10. Close the parenthesis and press enter. Both get you the total, but functions can save you time. Then, what's the difference between a function from a formula? First, a formula can be defined as anything that comes after an equal sign. Functions, on the other hand, are preset formulas that accept several arguments as input and return an output. Second, there can be only one formula per cell. However, a formula can have multiple functions. I won't discuss much about functions here, because we have another video series covering everything you need to know about Excel functions in great detail. Let's talk about operators. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They are like your math buddies in Excel. Enter two numbers, 100 and 50, in cells E4 and F4. Use the addition operator to add these two numbers. For subtraction, use the minus sign. For multiplication, use the asterisk symbol. And for dividing, use the forward slash sign. Now, let's talk about comparison operators. They help you compare values: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Perfect for decision making. Say you want to check if the value of cell E4 is greater than the value of cell F4. Type equal to E4 greater than F4. If true, it will say true. If not, false. Press enter. It's returning true as 100 is greater than 50. Similarly, if I enter equal to E4 less than or equal to F4 and press enter, it returns false, since 100 is not less than or equal to 50. Editing formula is just like same as editing values and text in a cell. Just double click on the cell and modify the formula as you want. Look, the result changes. If you single click on the cell, then you have to go to the formula bar and edit the formula. Simple. Okay, time for a quick pop quiz. Create a formula using the operators to find out if the value in cell E4 is not equal to the value in cell F4. Try it out and drop your answers in the comments. So that's it for the lesson.